Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for today's video. I saw this girl on TikTok. I will leave her handle down below, and if I can, the link to the original video. Right, so I saw this girl on TikTok dyeing her hair with conditioner and an eyeshadow. So I decided to try it out for myself, and you know, because she's probably using a conditioner and an eyeshadow, it will probably wash off by the first time you wash your hair. So like I said, I am so excited. My thoughts are all over the place because I'm kind of scared, but hopefully it will all work out. So if you're interested in seeing how it all goes, then keep on watching. Right, okay, so first I'm going to crush up an eyeshadow. Well, this is actually a blush from Essence. It's the Silky Touch blush in the shade 100 Indian Summer, and it is a lovely kind of dusty pink color. I mean, eyeshadow blush, same thing, will probably work. And I have my little bowl here, so I'm going to crush it up. This eyeshadow is actually in my declutter. Oh, that's fairly deep, but because I can't declutter anything, I'm just going to use it for this experiment. I'm going to crush up the whole thing because, as you can see, I've already sectioned off my hair. Plus I might put on, if it looks, oh shit, if it looks good, I might put some on my fringe as well. So I'm going to brush it up a little more so that it's nice and fine. Okay, so as you can see, that's all crushed up as well as it can be, and I'm gonna add my conditioner. This is the one from Lidl. Now, oh Jesus, that's squirted a little bit. Okay, I don't know how much to use, so I'm gonna start slowly. That's slow enough. Don't know. And going back in and mixing it all up. I guess I'm just going to repeat that process over and over again until I have a nice, I guess, kind of putty texture. Oh, or until my blush is all mixed in with that conditioner. It doesn't look too bad, right? Right, okay, so have my top half of my hair up, and I'm only going to do the bottom, and if there's anything left I might do some on my fringe, but I don't know. So I'm putting on my gloves. Jesus, I hope this works. I'm sectioning off my hair again, and I have my little brush, my little spatula, and I'm soaking our DIY hair dye into the brush, and I need a mirror because otherwise I won't see. And oh, okay, off I go. That's, oh my god, what a time to be alive. I actually used to dye my own hair before with my mom because I was a blonde for as long as I can remember. I mean, I did deviate and dyed my hair dark brown when I was like in second year of college, but that was definitely a bad idea. Now, as you can see, my roots are fairly dark, so there's no point really of putting that hair there, but the rest, I guess why not. By the looks of it, I think I'm gonna crush up some more blushes. Thank God I had decluttered some, so that's not an issue. Like, I'm using the ones that I don't want or need. So these, they get some use. Okay, so basically one blush wasn't enough. There's still some patches of blonde peeking through my hair on this side, maybe a little bit on this side, and I didn't manage to do my fringe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another blush. This one is the W7, and basically I'm going to do the same thing. Crush it up, add some conditioner, and apply it to my hair. And after I've done all that, I'll be right back to show you what we are going to do next. Okay, so I did my fringe. I did some of the remaining hair. There's still some blonde peeking through, but that's fine. That's kind of what I wanted. Next step is to dry it. So I'm gonna take out my hair dryer and start drying. I need to section my hair somehow. So let's see. I'm gonna do it. This is probably gonna take ages. So yeah, hair dryer, let's go. Okay, so I got it as dry as I could, and this is the end result. As you can see, I didn't dye my hair there. I was kind of going for a messy kind of look. It was messy, okay? So I'm just gonna show you the bag. It's probably not perfect, but I assume it's gonna wash off when I just wash my hair. But yeah, it worked. Super messy though, so I don't know if I could recommend this hack actually. I would say it's nice for like festivals or Halloween parties, because you do it, you know, you go to the party, you have a different look, and then the next day when you wash your hair, poof, gone. But yeah, it worked. Will I do it again? Probably not. Maybe for a party, but I doubt it, because the amount of product that you use to get this result, and you know, it's not perfect. I probably still would need another blush to actually get the rest of my hair done. But yeah, I think it was fun. I actually had to change because my my shirt was full of blush. I had blush everywhere, on my face, on my neck, everywhere. But yeah, that was fun. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to try out different TikTok hacks. I'd say if you do, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely try them out. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.